Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jeep Compass versus the Haval H6. We will explore their key features, diving into performance, interior design, and crucial safety aspects. Our goal is to help you decide which of these popular compact SUVs offers the best value for your needs. Let's get started with a detailed look at what each vehicle brings to the table. The Jeep Compass is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 200 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. It excels in off-road capability, especially the Trailhawk model with its 20-to-1 crawl ratio. The Haval H6 offers more diverse powertrains, including a 2.0-liter turbo petrol and hybrid options, with the plug-in hybrid reaching up to 359 horsepower. Haval H6 hybrids can achieve around 5.2 liters per 100 kilometers in real-world driving. Inside, the Jeep Compass offers a functional cabin with a 10.1-inch touchscreen and the Uconnect 5 system. It provides 27.2 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, expanding to 59.8 cubic feet when folded. The Haval H6 counters with a more modern interior, featuring a larger 14.6-inch multimedia touchscreen and wireless phone charging. It offers 560 liters of cargo space, increasing to 1,485 liters with the rear seats down. Regarding safety, both the Jeep Compass and Haval H6 are well-equipped. The Compass includes 7 airbags and features like forward collision warning with active braking and adaptive cruise control. The Haval H6 boasts a 5-star NCAP rating, with 6 or 7 airbags, autonomous emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. When considering overall value, the Haval H6 often presents a compelling price point, especially with its advanced hybrid options. For other great deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.